Okay guys, this is what I do. I empty the soap and water out and I put clean water back in. It doesn't have to be hot or cold. This is just lukewarm. And all I do is make sure that it gets all cleaned. I just go like that. Just go like that, right? And I just let them clean. Usually I have this window open and it usually, my brushes dry real fast anyways. And this is just how I do my makeup brushes, exactly like these. And guys, I have really been liking these free makeup brushes that I got in one of my makeup sets. These are actually better than the e.l.f. ones. I really like these. I've been using them. And this is just how I do my brushes. And yes, I do use these. These are awesome. You can tell there's some residue down here from the brushes and stuff, you know. This is a lip thing because I use this for my lips and stuff. And all I do is put them over here. Oops. All I do is put them over here and just let them dry. And usually I have a window open, so it'll dry even faster. I really need to get some new brushes, but I just can't help it. This is how I do my brushes, my makeup brushes. This is very simple, and make sure that they're all, you know, I can show you guys my floor. Just go like that. I just dab it, make sure that all the excess water is out, right? Because everybody does their makeup brushes differently, and this is how I do my makeup brushes. And that's it. And you guys, if you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. And hit the notification bell because you never know when I upload. Again, thanks for watching. And have a good day.